Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be dismantling a Renault Clio X98 door mirror. Whether you need to change the mirror glass or the mirror cover or the indicator, this is the video for you. If you did find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Here we have our mirror. I'd like to do the next steps when the mirror is in close position so I don't damage something that's visible on the outside. Get in between the mirror cover and the mirror assembly with a little tool and just gently unclip the mirror cover. You don't want to put too much pressure and just work your way around one by one as you open it up. So just keep moving along. Do not put a lot of pressure. You can damage the assembly or the mirror cover, and a little patience and it should come out quite easily once it's all unclipped. Because it's just held on by 3 clips on the inside, there's no screws. And there is the clips, 1, 2, and on the bottom side. So it comes out directly in that way. Next, we are going to be removing the mirror glass. It's also held on by clips. Just get behind the mirror glass with your fingers and just gently give it a little pull and it should come right off. And because it's heated glass, it does have a plug which you remove like so. And here are the clips to hold the mirror glass in place. Now for the indicator, to remove the indicator, obviously you need to remove the cover. And how you remove the indicator is as follows. Just gently unclip. There's 2 clips that hold it in position and lift it upwards towards the top of the mirror. So to show you, once it's unclipped, pull it upwards, and unplugging the bulb is just a simple pull. And putting it back on, you push it down and then clip it into place. Obviously you need to connect the bulb first, and then you can put the mirror cover back on, and the glass. The glass you can just do on its own. You don't need to remove the cover or the indicator to do anything with the glass. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.